Okay, welcome back, guys. This is gonna be day 83 of our trading series. A quick update on our account. So we are at $82,000. We started with $10,000 about 4 months ago. So let's go ahead and look at the P&L analysis. There we go, 150 days. That's when we started. And you can see our cumulative P&L, about 68,000 in this time period. And this is from about 73,000 from 180 days ago. So I like to be very transparent. I think I'm the only YouTuber who actually shows his account track record history. Every single day you can see we have had trades. And I like to start every video like this because no one is transparent in the industry. Everyone lies, demo account trades, fakes P&L screenshots, or just cherry picks the winning trades. But this is the whole account, and you can see the growth that we had has actually been pretty insane. So that's where we came from. Now, in terms of where we are now, I have updated a couple of positions on here, and if you are in the Telegram channel, you can see that about 5 minutes ago, I entered a new long on IDEX, $4,500. For those of you who have been asking me, if you want to see all of my live trades in real time, it's on my group chat on Telegram. So what you can do is type in positions and you will see all of my currently open positions synced to the exchange, to MEXC, in real time. So you get to see all of my positions, my equity, and you get these live alerts as soon as I add or remove or go in and out of a position. You get to see it come up here in real time, as you can see. So if you want access to that, sign up to one of the exchanges in my description video, in the comment, like pinned comment section below each video. Send me a Telegram message and I'll send you the invite link to the group chat message where I can speak to you as well. Okay, now we currently have about 5,000 in unrealized P&L. I don't think there's much for us to do. We have a pretty much a neutral bias, not bearish, not bullish. If anything, slightly bullish in terms of where the market is. I'm still going to continue holding hyperliquid. That's my main position. As you can see, we have $20,000 of hype, collecting that funding rate, and yeah, it just looks strong. So I'm going to keep on holding this. We have some other random shitcoins like AIOT, which I might want to cut actually. Let's see. I'll probably hold it just for a little bit longer. But then, yeah, we have Scale, IP, MU has been our biggest winner so far. So let's take a look. Yeah, MU has been the biggest winner so far. You can see we're up about 77% from entry. So that's been really good. We've taken profit nearly 4,000 and we have another 2,000 in unrealized P&L. Otherwise, let's take a look at the market itself. Let's do a quick analysis. So BTC still ranging, right? Still ranging. I expect us to go lower probably. But yeah, still ranging. If prices do go into this pink zone, especially at the 100K, this is the nice sort of psychological level, then I'll be very, very interested in doing business around this level. ETH, let's take a look. ETH did a very nice bounce on this EMA. You can see with the orange line, like we have done in the past. And we took the liquidity of the previous week. You can see this blue line. So we took the liquidity out. Again, these are both indicators that if you want, you can have access to. Again, just ask me in the Telegram group chat. You just have to be trading on an exchange that I refer you to. But yeah, ETH is looking good, I would say. ETH is looking good. Sol is looking strong, if anything stronger than ETH. Link, very, very similar to ETH in terms of the structure. Literally, I would say identical. Hyperliquid. Yeah, Hyperliquid is just still ranging, I would say. It's still ranging. We can remove all of that. We got a nice range drawn for us here. And we had this deviation below it. So this will be interesting to see if this is just like we have had here and here. If this is a mini bottom before further up. ENA looking surprisingly very strong. Obviously now we're at the top of the range. You can see this blue line. So this is not where you want to be entering, and we took out the liquidity above here. So if anything, more likely to short it, but it is a strong asset, so I'm not going to short it. And yeah, don't really want to discuss these shit coins. And the new listings, so let's take a look. WLFI, yeah, I don't know enough about it. Probably just going to zero. All of these are just going to zero as well. So yeah, I would say that's pretty much it. Gold still looking extremely strong. We just broke previous all-time high on gold, which is pretty insane actually. You can see this whole range has been drawn for us. So we just tested the upper part of the range. Now, yeah, so we just tested the upper part of the range. I think we'll just keep on holding gold. We got Nvidia not really doing a whole lot. S&P 500 pulling back a tiny bit. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Yeah, I think any dips are basically for buying, especially on this EMA. So prices go back down to, let's do crossing this EMA. Probably makes sense to add some towards your longer term allocation. So that's it. Yeah, the account equity has been pretty stable lately, so it's a bit boring, but that's just the way the market is. I don't think there's a whole lot of opportunity right now. The leverage we're using is very low. It's about 1.2x. We did have as high as 3.5, 4x leverage a couple of weeks ago. So just the way the market is, if anything, we need to keep on milking the strong coins. And MU does look strong, I'll be honest. MU does look strong. I'm not sure if this was a deviation above the high or if we continue grinding up higher, because it does look pretty strong actually. How much do we have? We only have 4,600. So pretty small position. Pretty small position, but it is a pullback. So let's buy another 2,000. There we go. Just bought another 2,000. Do we want to enter anything else? Let me have a look. I don't think we do. Let's have a look. We got SKL, which I think, yeah, it looks really average. We've got IP, which I think looks pretty average. Yeah, not interested in that either. IDEX. So that's what I just entered a few minutes ago. Do we like IDEX? IDEX. Okay, I like how we are on this MA. Let's see on the 5 minute. The 5 minute, yeah, we're doing something. Yeah, we've got this market structure break shown to us here. Yeah, I'm not convinced this is the bottom yet, but we can have a look. And you can see that in the Telegram bot, when I just entered the position, On M, we just got an alert, said increase long position on M, bought 2,200 new size. So everything is in real time for you guys. Hopefully that is very useful to some of you. As always, take it easy, stay safe. Don't trust anyone on YouTube or Telegram or Twitter who doesn't show you their track record. Otherwise, you're just learning from idiots who actually are just perma losing money, and that's a waste of your time. And I hope you guys have a good day. Take it easy, and I will see you in the next upload. Peace.